This is a video presentation on event planning conducted for Blessing and Ribbon Cutting Ceremony. This is a video presentation in culmination of Events Management Services NC3 offered by International School of Technology, Arts and Culinary of Davao City. Good morning, everyone. This is Ruth Mission Abuan, your senior vlogger. I tackle all possible issues of today and even that of yesterday and tomorrow as long as it is worth knowing and sharing. If you did not subscribe to this channel yet, please do subscribe now and click the bell button to keep updated of new videos in case I cannot send the link promptly. Like and you may leave a comment or message as I gladly acknowledge and welcome all sorts of interest. Mission Abuan Vocational School Incorporated had been conceptualized 4 years ago but was left caught by so many eventualities until the worst of it came on the outbreak of the pandemic. Although the structure was built partially, we were able to accomplish the requirements and got the approval of our first qualification from TESDA Region 12 since the school is located in Pikit, North Cotabato. Housekeeping NC2 is our passport to officially open the school. On March 4, 2021, a formal meeting was then held by the school board and shareholders to discuss on a proposed blessing and cutting of the ribbon ceremony. Agenda to be discussed were as follows, like where to get funds and to consider the budget which will be taken care of by Ruth and Mavic, who to hire for the event under the care of Lourdes and Ruth, possible caterers, care of Mavic and Bebot, food to serve, care of Bebot and Lito. Possible date as to the safest month so long as it has 8 on the date or any good number combination. To discuss also the possible venue or venue that serve food like Jikains or Luz Farm under the connections of Mavic and Bebot. The meeting was followed up on March 30, 2021. This was an hour of discussion to follow up minutes of the previous meeting, where funds or budget had been finalized to limit to 15K only. Decided on having a do-it-yourself event to help keep the budget except the caterers. Caterers chosen to possibly be Luz Farm, known to be cheapest so far. Food to serve, fried haluan and hito, sauteed shrimp in garlic, lechon for non-Muslim, fried talong, and sauteed sitaw in oyster sauce. Venue decided by the team to be held in the school premise. We hold another meeting on April 5, 2021 to supposedly finalize the agenda discussed on previous meetings with regards to the blessing and cutting of the ribbon ceremony. Budget decided to limit to 15K only. Team involved, as was suggested by the board and shareholders, that there will be assigned names to take charge of every task to save and be able to achieve the limit of 15K. It is up to every member to decide and assign names under them, willing to work in a most prudent way. First date proposed of the ceremony was May 5, but because of time constraint, it was instead decided to postpone on the 8th of June 2021. Discussion on advertisement and invites were missed during the previous discussions. Ruth volunteered to take care of the task as she have a person in mind to do the layout. Added in the budget is the tarpaulin. Lito suggested to use bookmarks as a way to reach the community. To advertise the school, aside from advertising in the social media platforms, as was suggested by Lourdes. Added in the task is an invitation with the program. Discussion as to how the program should flow had been assigned to Lourdes, but with prior discussion and approval, venue arrangement had been planned by Rick, considering the health protocols. Venue arrangement should be presented to the group on the next meeting to finalize. Lourdes reminded the group that there will also be a certificate of appreciation that will be awarded to the speakers and the use of lei to welcome the guest. This means sparing a budget on the certificates, frames, and lay. Meeting is adjourned because of the curfew hour. This time, the members of the board decided to meet again on April 21, 2021, with the rest of the team to work on specific tasks as well as the suppliers. This slide is the matrix on the planning stage of the blessing and ribbon cutting ceremony last March 4, 2021, being our first formal meeting with regards to the ceremony. The next two slides are the matrix on the planning stage of the blessing and ribbon cutting ceremony conducted on March 30, 2021 and April 5, 2021 consecutively. April 21, 2021 is another meeting called for with the attendance of all the team involved in order to plan on the forthcoming blessing and ribbon cutting ceremony of Mission Abuan Vocational School Incorporated to finalize, decide, and discuss the following agenda such as budget, team involved, venue, the already decided to use the school premise, final date of the program, how to advertise using tarpaulins, brochures, invitations, and social media. Create a master plan by considering the pandemic situation, the number of guests to invite as to conform with the new norms of social gathering, and who should be invited. The food to serve, since we have mixed invitees, halal for Muslims, and the types of food for Christians. Certificates for the speakers as well as lay to put on the neck of the speakers and guests. How the program should flow, who should be the master of ceremony. Should there be entertainment, the tables, chairs, and tent to use. To designate speakers. Afterwards was the evaluation and assessment of the program that follows together with the suggestions and feedback. This meeting is summarized in the following slide as the final matrix of the program. This slide is a representation as was discussed and agreed after numerous surveys. Canvassed by the budget team, the following price was budgeted. For food, 300 pesos for each person, multiplied with 30 number of guests, and would come up to 9,000 pesos. Bookmarks of 35 pesos each for 50 sheets being the minimum order that sum up to 1,750. Invitation, 80 pesos each by 30 is 2,400 pesos. Lay, 30 pesos each. A DIY by 30 is 900 pesos. Certificates with frame is 150 pesos. Each for 3 speakers is equivalent to 450 pesos. Is also assigned in the team involved. We have prize canvassers that also would be involved in the meet and greet, Mavic and team. Team to prepare contracts with the suppliers, Nene and team, layout and design of brochures, invitations, lay and certificates by Dave and team. For the venue, decorations, planning and design by Dave, Rick, and team. To invite the priests and speakers by Nene and team. For the food, table set up by Lourdes and team. Programs and entertainment by Rick, Lourdes and team. Preparation and distribution brochures, invitations, lay, and certificates by Nene and team. For the venue, it had been decided by the shareholders to use the premise of Mission Abuan Vocational School Incorporated. A contract had been prepared and entered by the shareholders and Rick being the leader of the assigned team for the venue. Stipulated in the contract is the permission to use the school premise for the entire program, including the serving of brunch or lunch to be done in one of the classrooms. Separately, as halal will be served for Muslims and another classroom for Christians. Stated in the contract that the premise can be used for free. The program, as advised by the shareholders upon the recommendation of the local health authority and picket police force, be held in front of the school building for an access of open air. This slide is a continuation on the topic on venue. Included in the use of free venue is also the free use of tables, chairs, and tent. The only condition of the free use of the venue is the inventory of tables, chairs, and tent with proper checkout and turnover after the event. Secondly, all areas should be cleaned after the event and trash of all sort be on their proper respective waste bins. For the date, it had been voted by the shareholders to hold the blessing and cutting of the ribbon on June 8, 2021 after the cancellation last May 5. Then June 8 was cancelled due to the sudden surge of COVID in the whole of North Cotabato. It was then changed to July 8 but was not permitted by the local authority. At the time of this writing, the tentative schedule is August 10. If God allows and at least the pandemic will lessen or infection is decreasing in North Cotabato, but has to get an approval from the local authority 5 days before the event.